Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video, kind of show the drivability of this thing with this overdrive transmission. Just went and made the sonic run, kind of showing you what the converter will go. It'll go 3,000. It's a 331 gear in the rear end, 383, pretty basic vortec heads. The lower first gear in the 700R makes it plenty nice for just burning tires off and such. Even from a high roll. This thing runs real good. I'm doing 80 miles an hour. Watch this. Lock the converter up. I'm still doing 85. I'll slow it back down to normal speed. There's 75 or so. 70, 2,000 RPMs, locked up the converter. Cruises down the highway real nice. That's the best of both worlds in my opinion. Plenty of power down low. Lock the converter up going down the highway. Smooth ride, passing cars, 2,100 RPM. Thanks a lot, guys. Take it easy.